Today we're running through 100 Japan travel tips in under 10 minutes. Whether it's your first time to Japan or your fifth, I hope there's at least one tip in here that makes your trip just a little more awesome. If you know someone headed to Japan, share this video with them, they'll thank you later. And remember, I won't be diving deep into each tip, but if you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. All right, take a seat, grab a notepad, time starts now. All right, tip number 1, you'll receive a lot of coins in Japan. Bring a coin pouch to manage all your change. You will need to have a reliable way to withdraw cash in Japan. Whether it's on your phone or you get a physical card, make sure you get a transit card like Suica or Passmo. Make sure you carry your passport at all times. Prepare to carry your trash with you. When you're at a restaurant, pay at the register, not the table. Highly recommend you stay at least one night at a ryokan. Utilize a luggage transfer service to send your bags. Remember, there is no tipping in Japan. Make sure you've downloaded and know how to use Google Maps. If you don't know about stamp collecting, look it up. Collect all the stamps. Be prepared to climb a lot of stairs. Have a plan B in place in case of inclement weather. Make sure you know in advance whether you're going to use your phone data plan or get an eSIM. The vitamin C drinks in Japan are amazing and will keep you from getting sick. Make sure and bring comfortable shoes for lots of walking. Be prepared to take your shoes on and off. I recommend speed laces. Bring a power bank to keep your electronics and phone charged. There are several apps to call a taxi in Japan, whether it's Uber or Go. I personally love the Go app. If you're going to a popular tourist site like Fushimi Inari, make sure you go early in the morning. Bring a packable tote bag with you. Be respectful and quiet on trains. It's a shared space. Keep your train tickets in a safe place. On certain trains like a limited express train, you may have to present it while on board. Bring the right gear for the weather. Odds are you may be leaving with some souvenirs, so bring a collapsible or compressible duffel with you. Learn about bowing culture in Japan and bow often. If you need to withdraw more cash, odds are you'll be able to find an ATM at a konbini. Nihongo wa hasanakuте mo daijoubu. But if you learn a few phrases, I promise your trip is going to be a little more awesome. Most hotel rooms are pretty small, so bring a packable clothesline if you need to hang your clothes. Do not try and shut the rear doors on a taxi. Make sure you research and understand shrine and temple etiquette. Research appropriate clothing and dress code norms. Atatamasu ka? Konbini staff will gladly heat up your food purchase. Do not jaywalk. There are priority seats, priority train cars, and even certain elevators for elders, women, and the disabled in Japan. Make sure you understand what medications you can and cannot bring into Japan. Make sure to complete your customs declaration paperwork in advance. Instead of trains, consider using domestic Japan flights. They are awesome. Stay in accommodations that are close to major train stations. Bring a small day pack or sling with you for your day excursions. If you come across a stamp rally, do it. They are a lot of fun. Dollar and value stores like Daiso in Japan are awesome for anything you may need. Leave pajamas at home. Your hotel will have them. Most hotel pillows are not very comfortable, so if that's an issue, bring your own. When seated at a restaurant, you may have to call your server by either pressing a button or getting their attention. Use an app like TripIt to manage and share your itinerary with your group. Plan your train times and routes in advance. Avoid rush hour travel. There are usually no custom orders at a restaurant. Make sure you understand the rules and regulations around tax-free purchases. Understand the rules and customs of going to an onsen or a public bath. And remember, it's onsen, not onsen. That's freebie. Pack light. If you're one bag traveling, I personally recommend 80% capacity. Definitely get a kaiseki meal while you're in Japan. Basic toiletries are provided at most hotels. If you're either sending or dropping off your luggage at a hotel, most hotels will hold your luggage. Grocery stores are cheaper than konbinis. Most grocery stores discount ready-made food right before they close. Carry a small handkerchief or towel in case your bathroom doesn't have towels. Keep your phone on silent. Don't take calls or FaceTime in shared spaces. Practice whatever translation app you're going to use before you go to Japan. Plan your sleep time for the plane ride to Japan. Do everything you can to fight jet lag when you land. Here are a few of my favorite techniques. Depending on what region of Japan you're in, know which side of the escalator to stand on. Whether you are climbing up or going downstairs, look for the guidance arrows. If you are lost or need help buying a ticket, ask train attendants for help. Utilize tourist information centers. Download a currency exchange app or calculator. For menus and signs, practice taking a picture and scanning it into your translation app. Do not film people without their permission. Do not walk and eat. Most of the food stands where you purchased your food will take your trash once you finish. Renting a bike is a great way to see Japan. When wearing a yukata, remember it's always left over right. Do not eat or drink on local trains or subways. A good rule of thumb is if there's a tray table, you're safe to eat there. Some restaurants will utilize ticket machines to take your order. Make plans to stay hydrated on your trip. Utilize hotel laundry. If you can, attend local festivals and fireworks shows. They are awesome. Power outlets in Japan are the same as North America. Consider bringing a long charging cord with you. Sometimes the outlets are far away. Understand the laws and restrictions for flying drones in Japan. Be prepared to sort your trash. For police, dial 110. For EMS, dial 119. When purchasing anything, place money on the cash tray. Japanese recycle shops and secondhand stores are awesome. If you plan on renting a car, make sure you have an international driving permit. There are lots of omiyage shops in Japan. Make sure you bring something home for your friends, family, or boss. For any place you want to visit, make sure you research the business hours ahead of time. Go see a Japanese castle. They are awesome. Before your trip, look at where you're going and research local delicacies. Dress in layers. When coming home, build in a rest day for jet lag and post-Japan depression syndrome. Take a rickshaw ride. Get to the airport early. Instead of Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, consider going off the beaten path. Make sure you know how to use chopsticks and understand chopstick etiquette. Most konbinis have bathrooms that you can use. Sign up for emergency alerts while you're in Japan. And our last tip here, don't overplan and stress out by cramming everything you can. You will be back for another trip. Well, that was 100 Japan travel tips in under 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about any of these tips, drop me a comment. I'll get back to you. If you like content like this, go ahead and hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.